Hey everyone, it's Mike Torino again from Public Safety Group. If you've made it to this point, you've registered for the Boy Scouts of America Wilderness First Aid Program and have received your 10-digit access code either via email or from your leader. So I'd like to take a moment to say congratulations. From here, I'm going to take you on a quick walk through the registration process. So sit down, hang on, and let's have some fun getting you registered. First things first, we're going to have you go to our homepage, which is jblearning.com. That's jblearning.com. It's going to bring you to the page that you see in front of you. The spot we're looking for is called Redeem Code, which is highlighted red in the hyperlink because my mouse is sitting right over it. You want to go ahead and click that Redeem Code. It's going to take you to a terms and conditions page where you can scroll down and read the terms and conditions of use of the program. Then when you get to the bottom, you go ahead and click the agree button. The next page is where we're going to want to enter our 10-digit access code. So let's put ours in now. It's 28967. Once we enter that 10-digit access code into that bar, we're going to click the redeem button. It takes us to our confirmation page, which lets us know that this is for the Boy Scouts of America Wilderness First Aid Navigate course. So we're in the right spot. We're going to go ahead and click confirm. Once we do that, it's going to take us to our dashboard. Where you see here, this is the program that you're looking for. Your dashboard will be a singular program dashboard, so you're not going to see all the other demo classes that I have listed in mine. So you'll just look for this single course, and once you've made it to this page, you can go ahead and click on that course to launch into our next phase. So I'm going to stop here and give you guys a chance to follow along with this video and register into your program. And I'm going to pick you up on the other side, and we're going to take a walk through your program, show you what is required, what's recommended, and how to navigate your way through it. So good luck in the registration process, and I'll see you soon.